let's have some fun!
Surprise and play!
Hi Surprise and Play fans! Today we're opening the Fisher-Price Loving Family SUV. It's got music, and it's got a steering wheel that turns, and a trailer hitch to tow accessories. And look, the beautiful Loving Family dollhouse. Time to unbox it! Let's open this up. Open up these. There we go, they're coming off. Here we go! The doors open. And they open at the back too. Everybody can get in comfortably. Oh, this door doesn't open. Get in! Let's have some fun! So here we have the radio. We have a spinning steering wheel. We've got seat belts on all the seats and baby seats at the back for a boy and a girl. Here we've got the tow hitch and a nice license plate. I wonder where they're from. We can't wait to use the Loving Family SUV in our next videos. Thanks for watching. It's time to
Subscribe!